Ake sibambane ngezandla. Ake sibambane ngezandla. Ngezandla bazalwane. Ngezandla bazalwane sibambane. Ngezandla bazalwane sibambane. Ngezandla bazalwane. Right. Iwasho works, muthi works, water works, but it depends. It depends on the power that you're given. It depends on the giver of your gift. Right? Into yonke nenye siyayithandazela ukuze isebenze. Thina siphiwe amandla ezulu. Yazini mawungumuntu ungesabi ukuzikhuluma kahle. Ngoba akekho ozokhuluma kahle. Yabona mawunobizo. Khohlwa. Umntwana onobizo akathandeki. Why angathandeki umntwana onobizo? Because sibona imfihlakalo. Because sibona izinto ongamelanga sizibone. So ningethuki, qinani emadolweni, uNkulunkulu ukhona. Nabanye abathi thina sikhonza amadimoni. There are those that are mentally colonized. They say we worship the devil. Mina ngiyaphilisa. I closed the graves. I healed people. People got jobs. People got marriages. People got whatever they wanted back. People got their businesses back. If it's a demon that is healing these people, if it's a demon that closes graves, if it's a demon that gives me the power to heal, if it's a demon that helps to open people's uteruses, that helps to clear the low sperm count for a man to father a child, if it's a demon that healed me and I healed others while I healed myself, you know what? I want millions and millions of demons. And don't forget, angilwi namuntu. The people that preaches such gospel to other people, to other congregations, are the people that tiptoes to us. How many pastors have I chased out of isigodlo sami? Plenty. I tell them, go and tell the people the truth. Because there is no demon that will give people power to do what I'm doing. Ngithi awavute, ngiyabonga mkhulu.